Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of nutritional yeast. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why nutrition experts are calling it the secret weapon of optimal health. Nutritional yeast is derived from Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the same species used to make bread and beer for thousands of years. But here's where it gets interesting. The nutritional yeast you buy at the store is completely different from its cousins because of how it's processed. The story begins in the early 1900s when scientists discovered they could grow yeast specifically for nutrition rather than fermentation. They found that by feeding yeast a special diet of molasses and other nutrients, then carefully deactivating it with heat, they could create a product packed with essential vitamins and minerals. This process kills the yeast, which is why nutritional yeast can't make your bread rise or ferment your beverages. During World War II, nutritional yeast became incredibly important as a protein source when meat was rationed. Soldiers actually carried nutritional yeast tablets as nutritional supplements. But it wasn't until the rise of vegetarianism and veganism in recent decades that nutritional yeast really found its place in modern kitchens. The nutritional profile of nutritional yeast is absolutely mind-blowing. Just 2 tablespoons contain more protein than an egg, with all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. But that's just the beginning. The real superstar here is vitamin B12. Most nutritional yeast is fortified with B12, providing up to 150% of your daily needs in just 1 serving. This is huge for vegans and vegetarians who struggle to get adequate B12 from plant sources alone. B12 deficiency can cause serious neurological problems, fatigue, and memory issues, making nutritional yeast a genuine lifesaver for plant-based eaters. But the B vitamins don't stop there. Nutritional yeast is loaded with thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folate. These B vitamins are crucial for energy metabolism, brain function, and cellular health. Think of them as the spark plugs that keep your body's engine running smoothly. The science gets even more interesting when we look at the unique compounds in nutritional yeast. It contains beta-glucans, the same immune-boosting compounds found in medicinal mushrooms. Research suggests these beta-glucans can help regulate cholesterol levels and support immune system function. Some studies have shown that regular consumption of nutritional yeast might help lower LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. There's also something called glutathione in nutritional yeast, which is often called the master antioxidant. Your body produces glutathione naturally, but production decreases as we age. Getting it from food sources like nutritional yeast might help maintain optimal levels for cellular protection and detoxification. Now here's where nutritional yeast becomes practically magical in the kitchen. The reason people get so excited about its taste is due to natural compounds called nucleotides, particularly guanosine monophosphate. These create what food scientists call umami, that savory fifth taste that makes foods incredibly satisfying and delicious. Nutritional yeast isn't just another health food trend. It's a scientifically backed superfood. Our next video is a complete guide to nutritional yeast recipes for everyday use and chef-level application. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Microbe Masters, for more insights into the world of beneficial microbes.